Hey friends, Scott Smith at the Smith team at Keller Williams. Wanted to share with you some insights that we are sharing with our clients on a weekly basis. One of those things we're getting a lot of questions on is should we make a move and are we financially prepared to make our next move? So I wanted to share with you some insights that we've had recently in the conversations with our clients about making the move and are they financially prepared. What we've seen over the last 5 years, many clients are sitting on a really good interest rate. Most of them are sub three, and they're wondering if now is the right time for them to make a move. With those low interest rates and also the strong and steady appreciation, we've actually seen more and more people sitting on some great equity, and they're not putting that equity to work for them. They're just kind of sitting on the sidelines, wondering what they should do for their next move. So in the last few years, we've seen that great appreciation, and actually here's a chart that I'll share with you that shows that Minnesotans are actually sitting on average $200,000 in equity in their homes. So if you're got good equity in your property, but you're not sure if you should make a move, here's some insights that might give you a little nudge to make that next move for your family. The people that we've had the conversations with have been just waiting on the sidelines, and they're in a good spot financially. Their jobs are steady, and they've got great equity in their properties, but that mortgage rate in the low threes, if not below that, are holding them back from making their next move. So what we've had a conversation around is rolling that equity into a new property that they've been waiting on rather than remodeling their existing home. They can get into the property that might be in a special situation where they're going to be building their next home, positioning themselves for more of a long-term stay, getting them closer to work, getting in the right school district, maybe just a different lifestyle change. Maybe they're ready for a change in neighborhood or a change in floor plan that'll be a better fit for them long term. So we've had those conversations with people moving from their current property, rolling that equity into the next one, and taking advantage of pretty stable and historically significant interest rates. So we're seeing interest rates, the projections from all the different lenders out there, Wells Fargo, Fannie, Freddie, the larger lending servicers. We're actually expecting that interest rates are going to be settling into the low sixes for the long term, just based on those predictions. So rolling that equity into a new property and then also putting that into a new mortgage, you're not going to be suffering from sticker shock too much with that. So if making a move is on your horizon and you're looking to put that equity to work for you and you're not in the home that you want right now, I'll be happy to have a conversation with you around what that looks like. If you're curious of what your equity might be, certainly reach out to us, 651-777-3434. Be happy to just do a quick over the phone or email you evaluation on your property to give you a rough estimate on what that looks like. If you liked this video and you had some good content for you, please share it with some friends, or you can subscribe and get us weekly updates from the Smith team and what is happening in real estate. Thanks. Have a great day. Take care.